Are you an iPhone user who wants to know how to pin a post on your Facebook profile? In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly pin a post on your Facebook profile from your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, to learn how to make sure that the post you want people to see stays at the top of your profile, even when new posts are added. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. After that, scroll down and find the post that you want to pin. Once you find the post, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the post. And then simply select the very first option. Pin post. And now you have successfully pinned that post to the top of your timeline, as you can see by the pinned post text over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.